Hello everyone. In this video, let us learn to solve the problems on rank correlation coefficient. Now let us see what is rank correlation. Rank correlation is the relationship between the rankings of different variables or different rankings of the same variables, where the ranks are assigned either by taking the highest value as the first rank or the lowest value as first rank, followed by the other ranks either in ascending or descending order. The degree of measuring the similarities between the two rankings is called as rank correlation coefficient. There are various formulas to calculate the rank correlation coefficient between the variables. One such formula is given by Spearman. The Spearman's rank correlation is denoted by rho and it is given by rho is equal to 1 minus 6 into summation of di square divided by n cube minus n, where your di represents the difference between the rank of the variables x and y and n indicates the number of observed values. Spearman's rank correlation can be used in the following cases. The first case is when the ranks are given. Second case, when the ranks are not given with no ties. Third case, when the ranks are not given with ties. Let us solve the problems on each of these cases. First case, when the ranks are already given. And here is a problem based on it. 10 participants in a contest are ranked by 2 judges as follows, and they are expecting you to find the rank correlation coefficient rho. Just observe over here, X indicates the rank given by the first judge and Y indicates the rank given by the second judge for the 10 different participants. So let us find the rank correlation coefficient. To find the rank correlation coefficient, it is necessary to find the difference between the ranks given by the two judges over here. So di is equal to xi minus yi, that is equal to 1 minus 6, that is minus 5, 6 minus 4, 2, 5 minus 9, minus 4, 10 minus 8, 2, 3 minus 1, 2, 2 minus 2, 0, 4 minus 3, 1, 9 minus 10, minus 1, 7 minus 5, 2, 8 minus 7, 1. Then just take the sum of the squares of these differences, which will be equal to 60. And observe over here, n is 10. So let us find the correlation coefficient, which is given by the formula rho is equal to 1 minus 6 into summation of di square divided by n cube minus n. Substitute the values so that you are going to get the value of rho is equal to 0.6364. Second case, when the ranks are not given without ties. And here is the problem based on it. Calculate the rank correlation between the marks assigned to 10 students by 2 judges. Okay. Over here, X indicates the marks assigned by the first judge for the 10 different students and Y indicates the marks assigned by the second judge for the 10 different students. Okay. Just observe over here, they have given the marks, not the ranks. Okay. So you have to compute the rank assigned by the judge 1 and the judge 2. Okay. So just consider the tabular column over here where the first column indicates the marks assigned by the judge 1 and second column indicates the marks assigned by the second judge. Okay. So let me just compute the rank assigned by the first judge over here. So just see the highest marks is 60, therefore the corresponding rank is 1. Next highest marks is 53, therefore it becomes the second rank. Next 52, third rank. 45, fourth rank. 42, fifth rank. 41, sixth rank. 38, seventh rank. 37, eighth rank. 27, ninth rank. 25, 10th rank. Okay. So the third column over here indicates the rank assigned by the first judge for the 10 different students. Now let us compute the rank assigned by the second judge for the 10 students. Okay, observe the highest marks over here. The highest marks is 77. So that becomes the first rank. Next highest is 68, second rank. 65, third rank. 50, fourth rank. 48, fifth rank. 43, sixth rank. 38, seventh rank. Next 35, eighth rank. 30, ninth rank. And 25, 10th rank. Okay. Then take the differences of these ranks now. D is equal to Rx minus Ry. Difference of the variable x and y. The ranks of the variable x and y. So it is 3 minus 3, 0. 2 minus 2, 0. 5 minus 6, minus 1. 1 minus 7, minus 6. 4 minus 1, 3. 6 minus 5, 1. 8 minus 8, 0. 7 minus 9, minus 2. 10 minus 10, 0. 9 minus 4, 5. Next, take the squares of these differences. 0 square is 0. The next term is also 0. Minus 1 whole square is 1. Minus 6 whole square is 36. 3 square is 9. 1 square is 1. 0 square is 0. Minus 2 whole square is 4. 0 square 0. 5 square is 25. And the sum of the squares of these differences is equal to 76. Okay. So let me use it to compute the rank correlation coefficient. Observe over here n is 10 and the rank correlation coefficient is given by the formula rho is equal to 1 minus 6 into summation di square divided by n cube minus n. So substitute the values over here. Therefore you have the rank correlation coefficient to be 0.539. Okay. Third case, when the ranks are not given with ties. Okay, here is a problem based on it. They are expecting you to find the rank correlation coefficients from the following data, where the first row over here indicates the values for the variable x and the second row indicates the values for the variable y. So let me compute the rank correlation coefficient here. So just consider the tabular column over here where the first column indicates the values for x and the second column indicates the values for y. Now let me assign the rank for the variable x over here. Just observe the first column. The highest value is 80. Therefore it takes the first rank. Next highest value is 78. Therefore, the corresponding rank is 2. The third highest value is 75. Therefore, I cannot assign the rank as 3 and 4 because the values are same, isn't it? In that case, you need to assign the common rank for these values, and the common rank is calculated by the average of 3 and 4. Average of 3 and 4 is 3.5. Therefore, the corresponding rank for the value 75 is 3.5. Okay. The next highest value is 68. Therefore, the corresponding rank is 5 over here. Next value is 67, which corresponds to 6th rank. Next highest value is 60. So, that corresponds to the 7th rank. And the least value is 59, which corresponds to the 8th rank. Okay. Now let me compute the rank for the variable y. Now observe the second column over here. The highest value for the variable y is 17, which corresponds to the first rank. Next highest value is 16, that corresponds to the second rank. The third highest value is 15, and hence the rank is 3. The next highest value is 14, but however I cannot assign the rank as 4, 5, 6 since the values are same over here. So I have to assign the common ranks for this, and the common rank for 14 is given by the average of 4, 5 and 6, which is equal to 5. Therefore, the ranks for the value 14 is 5 here. Next value is 13, which corresponds to the 7th rank, and the least value is 12. Therefore, the rank for that variable is 8. Now let me compute the difference between the rank for the variable x and y, which is given by 1 minus 8 minus 7, 2 minus 7 minus 5, 3.5 minus 5, that is minus 1.5. Similarly, in the next case also, it is minus 1.5. 5 minus 5, 0. 6 minus 3, 3. 7 minus 2, 5. 8 minus 1, 7. Now let me consider the square of these differences. Minus 7 whole square is 49. Minus 5 whole square is 25. Minus 1.5 whole square is 2.25. 3 square is 9. 5 square is 25. 7 square is 49. Now just take the sum of the squares of these differences, that is equal to 161.5. Now let me compute the rank correlation coefficient. Spearman's rank correlation in the case of tide observation is given by the formula rho is equal to 1 minus 6 times summation of the squares of the differences plus the correction factor divided by n cube minus n, where the correction factor can be calculated using the formula correction factor is equal to m cube minus m by 12, where your m over here indicates the number of times the value repeated. Therefore, the correction factor for 75 over here is 2 cube minus 2 by 12, which is equal to 0.5, and that of 14, the correction factor is 3 cube minus 3 by 12, which is equal to 2. Therefore, the total correction factor is just the sum of 0.5 and 2, which is equal to 2.5. Substituting the values in the formula and simplifying, so that the Spearman's rank correlation is minus 0.95. Thank you.